Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable or disable Apple Intelligence extensions on your Mac. Apple Intelligence brings a new layer of smart AI-powered features designed to enhance productivity, creativity, and everyday workflows. From writing assistance and summarization to smarter system interactions, these capabilities rely on extensions that integrate seamlessly across apps and services. However, not every user may want all these extensions active, whether for privacy reasons, performance considerations, or simply personal preference. Understanding how to enable or disable Apple Intelligence extensions gives you better control over how your Mac behaves and what data it uses. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. After that, you have to choose the screen time option to proceed. Then you have to select Content and Privacy option. Then choose Intelligence and Siri option. After that, you have to disable the toggle for intelligence extensions. In the end, make sure to tap on the Done button and you're all set. Managing Apple Intelligence extensions isn't just about toggling features on or off. It's about shaping a fully personalized and comfortable computing experience. So whether you prefer a fully AI-enhanced workflow or a more minimal, privacy-focused setup, Apple gives you the flexibility to decide what works best for you. As Apple continues to expand its intelligence features, keeping an eye on these settings will help you stay in control and make the most out of your macOS device. So make sure to take a few minutes to review your preferences, experiment with different configurations, and fine tune your setup for maximum efficiency and peace of mind. And I'll catch you up in the next one.